Hello and welcome to our video on 5 easy keto breakfasts. The ketogenic diet has become a popular lifestyle choice for people looking to maintain a healthy weight, boost their energy levels, and improve their overall well-being. Breakfast is an important meal of the day, and it's essential to have a healthy and satisfying meal that aligns with the keto diet. If you're following the ketogenic diet, you know that it can be challenging to come up with breakfast ideas that are both delicious and low-carb. That's why we've put together a list of 5 easy keto breakfasts that will keep you satisfied and energized throughout the day. So, in this video, we'll not only show you how to make each of these breakfasts, but we'll also explain why they're a great choice for keto dieters. Make sure you watch this video till the very end because you will find a free bonus. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Also, if you want to find an absolutely free PDF file with 21 keto recipes, just check out the link in the description below. Breakfast number 1, avocado and egg bowl. Our first keto breakfast idea is a simple and nutritious avocado and egg bowl. Avocado is an excellent source of healthy fats, fiber, and nutrients like potassium and magnesium, which are important for maintaining proper electrolyte balance on the ketogenic diet. Eggs are also a great source of protein and healthy fats, and they provide a variety of essential vitamins and minerals. To make this dish, start by having an avocado and removing the pit. Then, scoop out some of the flesh to create a hollow for the egg. Crack an egg into each half of the avocado, and season with salt and pepper. Bake in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes, or until the egg is cooked to your liking. You can also top with some chopped herbs or hot sauce for extra flavor. This recipe is not only delicious, but also packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, making it a great way to start your day on a nutritious note. Plus, it's easy to make and can be customized to your taste preferences, so feel free to experiment with different seasonings and toppings. Give the avocado and egg bowl a try and see why it's quickly become a favorite among keto dieters everywhere. Breakfast number 2, keto smoothie bowl. If you're in the mood for something light and refreshing, a keto smoothie bowl is a great option. This breakfast is packed with healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants, thanks to ingredients like unsweetened almond milk, frozen berries, spinach, and a scoop of your favorite keto protein powder. Berries are a great choice for keto dieters because they're low in carbs and high in fiber and antioxidants. To make a keto smoothie bowl, start by blending together your ingredients until you have a thick and creamy mixture. Pour the mixture into a bowl and top with some nuts, seeds, and coconut flakes. You can also add some keto-friendly sweetener like stevia if you prefer a sweeter taste. Breakfast number 3, sausage and egg muffins. If you're looking for a breakfast that you can make ahead and enjoy on the go, these sausage and egg muffins are a great option. This breakfast is a good source of protein and healthy fats, and it's also a great way to sneak in some veggies like bell peppers and onions. To make these muffins, start by cooking some sausage in a pan and letting it cool. In a mixing bowl, beat some eggs and season with salt and pepper. Add the cooked sausage, along with some chopped veggies, and mix well. Pour the mixture into a muffin tin and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the muffins are set and golden brown. You can also store these muffins in the fridge or freezer for later. Breakfast number 4, bacon and cheese omelette. Another classic keto breakfast idea is a bacon and cheese omelette. This breakfast is a great source of protein and healthy fats, and it's also a good way to sneak in some veggies like mushrooms and spinach. Bacon is a popular choice for keto dieters because it's high in fat and protein, and it's low in carbs. Start by cooking the bacon in a skillet over medium-high heat. Cook the bacon until it's crispy, then remove it from the pan and set it aside. While the bacon is cooking, whisk the eggs in a mixing bowl until they're well beaten. Add a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Once the bacon is cooked and removed from the skillet, add the mushrooms and spinach to the same skillet. Cook the vegetables until they're tender and slightly browned. Add the whisked eggs to the skillet, making sure that they spread evenly across the skillet. Add the grated cheddar cheese and crumbled bacon to one side of the omelette. Using a spatula, Gently fold the other side of the omelette over the side with the cheese and bacon. Press down on the top of the omelette with the spatula to help melt the cheese. Cook the omelette for an additional 1 to 2 minutes until the cheese is melted and the eggs are cooked through. Use a spatula to carefully slide the omelette onto a plate and serve hot. Enjoy your delicious and nutritious bacon and cheese omelette, perfect for a keto breakfast or any time of day. But before the last delicious keto breakfast recipe, we want to remind you that you can find an absolutely free PDF file with 21 keto recipes. Just check out the link in the description below. Breakfast number 5, keto pancakes. Last but not least, we have a recipe for keto pancakes that are fluffy, filling, and easy to make. Start by mixing together some almond flour, coconut flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt in a bowl. In a separate mixing bowl, beat some eggs and add some unsweetened almond milk, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix well. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and pour in some batter to form a pancake. Cook for a few minutes on each side, or until the pancake is cooked through. Serve with some keto-friendly toppings like sugar-free syrup or whipped cream. In this video, we have shared 5 easy and delicious keto breakfast recipes that are perfect for those following a low-carb, high-fat diet. From the savory bacon and cheese omelette to the sweet and tasty keto pancakes, these breakfast options offer a variety of flavors and nutrients to start your day on the right foot. But don't close this video because, as we've told you, will find another great idea for your healthy breakfast. In addition to the 5 keto breakfast recipes we shared in this video, we wanted to give you a bonus recipe that's perfect for those mornings when you need something quick and easy. Bonus recipe: Keto Avocado Toast. This recipe is a healthy and flavorful twist on traditional avocado toast. The keto bread is low in carbs and high in fiber, while the avocado provides healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins. The optional toppings add even more flavor and nutrition, making this a satisfying and nutritious breakfast option. To find a recipe with a list of ingredients and full instructions, check out our next video. Just click here. Don't forget to check out other keto breakfast recipes, which you can find in our free PDF file with 21 keto recipes for more healthy and delicious meals. We hope you enjoyed watching this video and will try out some of these tasty keto breakfast ideas for yourself.